Hi, this is Mark with a textbook M2 entry. Waited all week for this. It's Thursday afternoon. Came down, I got lucky here, but you make your own luck in this game. I hooked, and it also hooked on my live account to the pip. So this was pre-planned from a week ago. From 130 pips away, it came down this morning, almost touched the 55 EMA. Always have to have 5 reasons for a trade. So I had the daily 55, I had the weekly 200, I had the whole number, previous support and resistance. I also had a trend line coming in from back here, I believe. And I got 61.8 fib to put my stop behind and the trend line. So that's 6 or 7 reasons. Final reason is that I was risking 30 for a potential 150. So excellent risk reward potential and possibly 210. Now, this today has done 73 pips. The average is around 85 in the last 10 days or so. And I have now made more than twice my risk. So as ever, I am going to close half the trade. And to do that, you right click, click close. And then in here, I'm going to take off, let's say take off 60%. So 0.60. I'm going to take that off to close. I am going to leave the balance to run, and then I am going to move the stop to lock in some more profit. And so if I look in here now at the moment, I'm just going to be a little bit careful with this one. So I'm just going to log in a little bit. And then if this candle prints and continues to go up, I will trail the stop up behind, and the next pot of call will be in there. Okay, so that's pre-planned, waited 3 or 4 days for it, and it dropped into my lap. Could have just left it to run. But under the Trump scenario at the minute, it could just as promptly turn back down and take me out. I hope that helps. Catch you later.